Yo, what it is, what it ain't. It's your boy, Folks and Brothers TV, man, back with another one. Want to start this one off by saying rest in peace, Lil Ronnie, man, and his 5-year-old daughter, man. Killed out there in Texas, man. That shit was crazy. You know what I'm saying? We need to stop the violence, man. Put the guns down. Let's come together, man. Let's get this money, man. But, yeah, y'all check this video out, man. It's sad, man. Like, it's sad, man. We need to just find better shit to do. But it's your boy, man. Y'all tap in with me. Gang.